Okay, guys, so now we're going to be talking about the 7/6 suspension. That's the third most commonly used. 4/3 would be the top, 9/8 or 2/1. 9/8 would be the second, and then 7/6 would be your third. The 7/6 suspension is a very specific type of suspension because it occurs only on a first inversion chord. Only on a first inversion chord. So 4/3 and 9/8 are on root position chords, but the 7/6 is on a first inversion. So let me start off by playing for you two examples of four-part harmonization. One's in minor and the other is in major. So this first one is in minor. Take a listen to this one. That 5/4/2, which we always know resolves to 1/6s, 5/4/2 to 1/6. You'll hear that real unstable sound in the bass resolving down. Right? Ending up on a 1/6 chord. Take a listen to the one to the right of it, right above my head. This one's in G major. Again, you can hear that 5/4/2 right here. So both of those are obviously without non-chord tones, but let me show you then what they sound like when we add in some non-chord tones. And you'll notice here the labeling of the preparation, suspension, and resolution. In this case, it's the suspensions in the soprano. And then I've labeled properly the suspension as a 7/6 suspension. Take a listen to it with the suspension in place. Pretty sound here. It's kind of hard to hear that probably. And then finally, the one in G major. I love that one. The one in the 7/6 in major, it's got a really pretty sound. Notice the distance. B to A is a seventh, B to G is a sixth. Why? That's why it's called a 7/6 suspension. So one more time, 7/6s are only over first inversion chords. You cannot have a 7/6 over a root position chord because the resultant resolution has to be a sixth. Think about the Roman numerals for first inversion chord. It's a 6, like 1/6. That's where that comes from. All right. Hope this is helpful.